All right, y'all, time for one last stop. Now, pretty much every small town is guaranteed to have a few things. A great chicken fried steak and a great hole-in-the-wall Mexican joint. Now, we had chicken fried for lunch, and that means dinner at La Finca. La Finca is small-town Tex-Mex done right. If you need a plate of sizzling fajitas or saucy enchiladas to eat under flamenco dancing prints and Aztec masks, well, this is your stop. What do we have here?
Some brisket nachos.
Thank you. Oh,
They're really good.
Brisket nachos.
Yes.
With queso and everything? This is longtime manager Delilah Castro. You know it's good when it gets all over your face. People seem to love La Finca.
Yes.
And I got a dumb question. What does La Finca mean?
It's a small ranch.
Oh, okay.
La Hacienda, it's a bigger ranch.
Okay.
And the smaller ones are called La Fincas.
La Fincas. Mm-hmm. Hey, that's appropriate considering they serve up a mean Mexican steak. So did you grow up in Cisco?
Yeah, I actually used to work at this building when I was 13, helping in the kitchen. Once I got old enough to waitress, that's all I've done. So
that's cool. In a small town, it's a very involved job.
You gotta learn your customers in little towns like this. There's some that like their food hot. That plate got to be hot. If they touch it, be like, oh, that's not hot. Can you take it back? You walk around the restaurant and it'll be like maybe one person, I don't know.
I don't know anyone in here, but already feel at home. All right, so what should I order? What do you think?
The Lobo or the ranch style fajitas.
Okay.
Which has a creamy homemade salsa to it. So it's really, really good.
Fajitas with sauce? I'm in. After sizzling on the griddle, they add cheese and a spicy picoso sauce, and boom! Someone better pass me a platter. All right, so when I found out La Finca means little ranch, I had no choice but to get the ranch-style fajitas. Because, you know, most places, fajitas are just fajitas. You may get some peppers and onions, but these fajitas, they're covered in sauce and cheese. Oh, that's so good. It's been marinated. It's got the taste of the fire. It also has all those Mexican spices that you love so much about fajitas. All this needs is a tortilla.
So are you the kind of person who likes to, never mind, I guess answer my question right there.
Just go for it. Give it the beans, give it the rice, give it the crema, give it the guacamole, all of it. For the record, it doesn't matter if I do this or this. It is still a fajita taco. It's not even a taco, it's fajitas, which is a whole nother thing. Like, is it a burrito or a taco? It's neither, it's fajitas. I love a good small town Mexican food joint. You know, if you drive through a small Texas town and you see a local place and the parking lot's got cars in it, chances are there's some absolutely delicious food inside. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.